Hi friends. So now in this video we discuss about slope point form. That is, prove that the equation of a straight line with slope m and passing through the point x0 comma y0 is y minus y0 is equal to m into bracket x minus x0. This is slope and this is the point. So here let us consider this figure. We draw a figure. This is xy axis, the x axis and y axis origin O. Let us consider a line with slope m passing through this point. If suppose this is a line passing the point A of x0 comma y0. At this point the slope is passes with slope m. The line is passes with slope m. And this line is passes through this point, that is A of x0 comma y0. Let theta be the angle made by the line with respect to x-axis in the anticlockwise direction. So therefore we take m is equal to tan theta, that is slope m is equal to tan theta. Let consider p of x comma y. P of x comma y be any point on this line. So now draw this PM here, PM and AN perpendicular to x axis. Again let us consider P is taken, so we take AQ is perpendicular to PM. Is perpendicular to PM. Now this is angle should be theta, because this is theta, then this is also angle theta. So therefore let we have taken P of x comma b any point. So now from the triangle AP, from the triangle APQ, from the triangle APQ to this x-axis, draw this. We have taken AN and PM perpendicular to x-axis, then AQ is perpendicular to this PM. So therefore from this triangle it is APQ, we take tan theta is equal to, tan theta is equal to, why to take that is opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is PQ by AQ, PQ by AQ. Now tan theta is equal to, that is m. Here PQ is equal to, how we write PQ is? PQ is nothing but PM minus QM upon AQ is equal to, we write NM. Or this is equal to, PM is equal to, this is y coordinate, that is PM is y minus QM is equal to, we take this distance as y0 upon, now we write NM as OM minus ON. So this is equal to y minus y0 upon OM is equal to this distance, we take it as x, this is x coordinate, that this distance is equal to x, and ON is equal to, that is x0, that is x minus x0. So here tan theta is equal to m is equal to, it becomes y minus y0 by x minus x0. So therefore y minus y0 is equal to, we write it as m into bracket x minus x0. This is the left hand side. So y minus y0 is equal to, it becomes m into bracket x minus x0. Hence they prove. So this is the slope point form. Now we solve an example using this one. We take an example as So we write example. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line through -2, 3 with slope -4. With slope -4. So here solution. What is given? Here given slope means that is given m is equal to -4, and the line through the point is given, that is x0, y0 is equal to -2, 3. So therefore the equation of a line is, what is the formula? The equation of a line is in slope point form. The equation of line is y minus y0 is equal to m into bracket x minus x0. So here y minus y0 is equal to, that is 3, is equal to m is -4, x minus x0 is equal to -2. So therefore y minus 3 is equal to, take this minus sign inside, it is -4x minus is plus 4 2s are, it is -8. All this take left hand side. So therefore y minus 3 plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0, or the equation is 4x plus y minus 3 plus 5 plus 8 is 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a line which passes through the point -2, 3 with slope -4. Hence the solution. So we take one more example. Let's take, that is, find the equation of a straight line. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point. We take here the point, take 3, 4 with slope -1/2. With slope -1/2. So here what is given? We take given as slope is equal to here -1/2. Slope is -1/2, and the point x0, y0 is equal to, x0, y0 is what we take? That is given point is 3, 4. So therefore the slope point form, the equation of a line is, the equation of a line is y minus y0 is equal to m into bracket x minus x0. So therefore y minus y0 is 4, m is equal to -1/2 into bracket x minus x0 value is 3. So therefore we solve, now cross multiply, take this one to left hand side, it is 2y minus 8 is equal to this -1, take it inside, -x plus 3. Now all the values take left hand side, that is when x comes left hand side, it is x plus 2y minus 8 minus 3 equal to 0. So therefore x plus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the line passing through the point 3, 4 with slope -1/2. So here one more example we solve. Find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line passing through. Find the equation of the straight line passing through 0, 0 with slope m. With slope m. So here solution given, that is slope is equal to m, means m is equal to m is given, then x0, y0 is, that is origin is given, means given line is passes through the origin. So therefore the equation of a line is, the equation of a line is, what is the equation of a line? Means slope point form means one point is given and slope is given. Y minus y naught is equal to m into bracket x minus x naught. That is y minus y naught is 0, m is 0 into, sorry, slope is m into bracket x minus 0. So this is equal to y is equal to mx. This is the required solution. Okay. So here is the concept. The slope point form is over. Thank you.